My dear students, you have read first chapter Prose, a girl with a basket, and today I will give you 11 important short questions. Let us start. First question is, what did the author do to get a feel of the pulse of the nation? Answer: to get a feel of the pulse of the nation, William C. Douglas used to get down from his compartment at every stoppage. He talked to the people about world politics and current topic of the day. Next question is, what disturbed the continuity of the writer's conversation at one of the stations? Its answer is, at one station, when the writer got down, he was surrounded by a group of the refugee children who wanted to sell their fans and baskets. This disturbed the continuity of the writer's conversation. Next question is, why were the children described as refugee by Douglas? Answer is, William C. Douglas described the children as refugee because their parents and relatives had left their homes in Pakistan due to fear of religious fanatism at the time of partition and came to India to refuge. Here you can see a difficult word, fanatism. Its Hindi meaning is kattarta. Next question is, why did the refugee children descend like locusts on the writer? Answer: the refugee children thought that the writer was an American, a rich man, and hence would buy articles, so they descended on him like locusts. Question number 5, you can see on the screen. Which vendor among the children drew the author's attention most? This question is very important question. You have to note it very carefully. Its answer is a beautiful girl of 9. It means 9-year-old drew the writer's attention most. She was most diligent and aggressive. She had tears in her eyes. Question number 6. What forced the writer to buy the little girl's basket? Its answer is the refusal of the money as gratuity by the little girl forced the writer to buy her basket. Next question. What did the writer think about the people of India, or which qualities of character did William C. Douglas find in Indian people? Its answer is, the writer thought that the people of India were self-respecting and very gentle. They preferred starvation to begging. Next question is, why did millions of people leave Pakistan for India? Its answer is, at the time of partition, millions of people left Pakistan for India, driven by the fear of religious fanatism. Next question is, why did the writer fall in love with India? This question is also very important. Be careful and note it very carefully. Its answer is, the writer found that the people of India were proud and gracious, even in poverty. This was the reason He loved India and Indian people. Next question. Who are selling the basket and why? Answer is the children were selling the basket. They were poor refugees who were compelled to earn their living by selling fans and baskets. Here compelled means forced. Next question is, according to William C. Douglas, what is the average income of an agricultural family? Its answer is, according to William C. Douglas, the average annual income of an agricultural family was not more than $100. I hope that you will understand it very carefully, and if you feel any problem you can ask me. Okay, thanks.